Good morning students. Now today we will see question number 2, page number 29. Write the correct sign less than, greater than or equal to in all these examples. So A example is what? 3123 and 4112. So we have to decide which number is greater number here. Okay. So 3000 and 4000. See, 3000 number and 4000 number. So here only we can see that this 4000 is the bigger number. So we have to give this sign here. Okay. Now see B question. 6200, 6989. Now see here 6000 here. This thousands place 600 tens ones. Here also 1000 100 tens ones. Okay, 6000 is common here. Now see hundreds place 2 is there. In this hundreds place 9 is there. So we can easily say that this number is bigger than this number. 6989 is bigger than 6200. So we have to use this sign. Okay. Now see C question. 4230 and 4123. So 1100 tens ones, 1100 tens 1. So 4000 here also 4000. Now in this hundreds place 2 is there, and here in this hundreds place 1 is there. So this 2 is bigger than this 1. So definitely this number is bigger than this number. So we have to give this greater than sign here. Okay. Now see D question. 7347 and 7004. So in this thousands place 7 is there. Here also 7 is there. In hundreds place 3 is there. In this hundreds place is 0. So in hundreds place 3 is there. So 3 is bigger than this 0. So what we have to do? We have to give this sign towards this 7347 number. Okay. Now see E question. 1377 and 1190. So 1300. Now see thousands place is same. Now see hundreds place. In hundreds place 3 is given. Here in hundreds place 1 is given. So 3 is bigger than 1. So that this number 1377 is bigger than 1190 number. So give this sign. Now see F question. 6033 and 6033. Both the numbers are equal. So that we have to give equal to sign here. Now see G question. 3983 and 3982. See, very simple. This thousand and hundreds place is same here. Here also. Now see this tens and ones place 83, 82. Now see 83 is bigger than 82. So this number is bigger than this number. So 3983 is bigger than 3982. Okay. Now see H question. 7548 and 7548. Here also both the sides are equal. So we have to give here equal to sign. Now see I question. 7203 and 4201. Okay. So see this thousands place. Here 4 is there. In this thousands place 7 is there. So 7 is bigger than 4. So 7203 is bigger than 4201. So we have to give this sign. So in this way you have to complete this question in your textbook. Now see third question. Match the expanded form with short form. So we have to match the pairs here. Now see first A is 300 plus 40 plus 5. So here options are given. So we have to match the pair. So suppose we do here 300 plus 40 plus 5. 5 plus 0, 5. 4 plus 0, 4. These 3 as it is. So what is our answer? 345. So give their arrow towards this 345. Now see the example. 600 plus 50 plus 6. 6 plus 0, 6. 5 plus 0, 5. This 6 as it is. So what is our answer? 656. So give this arrow towards this 656. Next is what? 6000 plus 500 plus 40. Add this 0 plus 0, 0, 4 plus 0, 4, 5 plus 0, 5. This 6 as it is. 6540. So we have to give here this arrow here. Okay, now see the equation. 8000 plus 800 plus 80 plus 8. Suppose we write here 8000 plus 800 plus 80 plus 8 plus 8 plus 0, 8, 8 plus 0, 8, 8 plus 0, 8, 8 as it is. So what is our answer? 8888. So give this arrow towards this number. Now what is remaining? 4000 plus 300. 4000 plus 300. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 3 plus 0, 3. This 4 as it is. What is the answer? 4300. So give arrow like this here. So in this way you complete this question in your textbook. Now see fourth question. Write the symbols greater than, less than, greater than or equal to in the boxes. First example is already given in your, answer is given in your textbook. What is the first example? 800 plus 0 tens plus 7 ones. So 800 plus 0 tens means 0 plus 7 ones means 7. 807. So 807. And here 500 plus 7 tens plus 4 1. 500 means 500 plus 70. 7 tens means 70. 500 plus 70 plus 4 ones means 4. So 574. So 807 is bigger than 574. So this answer is right. That is given in your textbook. Now we have to solve this B question. 600 plus 9 tens plus 6 ones. Suppose we write here 600 means 600 plus 9 tens, 10 nines are 90 plus 6 ones means 6. And what is given? 696 is our answer. And what is given to this side? 500 write down. Then no need to write anything here. You just write down answers here. You just see how we are solving these examples. 500 plus 8 tens means 10 exam 80 plus 8 ones means 8. So 588. So 696 and 588. So which number is bigger here? 696. So this sign should be towards this number. 600 number. This sign should be there. Okay. Now see question. 9000. Now we will see. So see example is what? 9000. So 9000 plus 800. Suppose we write here 800. Then 7 tens. 7 tens means 70. Then 5 ones means 5. And add this number. This 9000. 70 and 5. 5 plus 0, 5. This 7 plus 0, 7. 8 plus 0, 8. This 9 as it is. 9875. This side is this number. And that side, what is that? 9,000. Again 9,000 plus 900. So 900. Then 9 tens means 90. So write down 90 and 9 ones means 9. So 9 plus 0, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. 9. This 9 as it is. So what is this number now? 9,875 and 9,999. See this hundreds place. Hundreds place, see here 8 number is given and here 9 number is given. So 9 is bigger than this 8. So this number is bigger. So we have to give this sign towards this number. Now see the question. 5,000. 5,000. Suppose we write 5,000, then 600. So down 600. Then 0 tens means 0. You need to write 0. 6 ones means 6. 6 plus 0, 6. 0 plus 0, 0. 6 plus 0, 6. 5 as it is. Okay. Then this side, what is that? 5,000 plus 600 plus 0 tens means 0 plus 6 ones means 6. 6 plus 0, 6. 6, 0 plus 0, 0. 6 plus 0, 6. This part as it is. So both the answers are same here. So we have to give here equal to sign. Okay. Now see E question. 8,700. Wait, we will drop this first. So 8,000, this side is what? 8,000 plus 700 plus 5 tens means 50 plus 4 ones means 4. 4 plus 0, 4. 5 plus 0, 5. This 7 plus 0, 7. This 8 as it is. 8,754 this side. And what is that side? 7,000. 7,000 plus 700 plus 6 tens means 60 plus 5 ones means 5. 5 plus 0, 5. 6 plus 0, 6. 7 plus 0, 7. This 7 as it is. So these two numbers are there. 8,754 this side and that side 7,765. So see this thousands place 7, thousands place 8. So 8,754 is bigger than 7,765. So we have to give this sign, greater than sign, towards this number. So in this way you have to just give these signs in your textbook. Now see your page number 30. On this page number 30, exercise 2.8 is given. Encircle the numerals which represent greatest numbers. Okay, so what we have to do here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numbers are given. So we have to circle the bigger number in these 4 numbers. So these 4 numbers are 1000 numbers. So we have to see that this starting with this 1000 number, 2,963, then 3,629, then 2,369, then 2,693. So among these 4 numbers, 2,000 number, they are total 3 number, and this 3,629 is the bigger number. So we have to circle this number. Now see second example, 780, then 807, then 478, 788. So among these 4 number, which number is bigger? 807. So circle this 807 number. Now see example, 813, then 1001, then 229 and 3,123. So among these 4 number, which number is bigger? 3,123 number. So circle this number. Then see the example, 1,412, then 2,143, then 2243, then 2353. So in this 4 number, 2353 is the bigger number. So circle this number. Okay. Now see equation. 7963, then 7832, then 8513 and 8203. So among these 4 number, 8513 is the bigger number. So we have to circle this number. Okay. Now see F question. 9251, then 8076, 8706, 7111. So among these 4 number, which number is bigger? 9251. This number is bigger. So circle this number. Then G and H, that is for your homework. So you have to complete this G and H in the textbook. Now see second question. Encircle the numeral which represent the smallest number. So numbers are given here. So we have to find out the smallest number. Now first is 1235, then 1023, 1055, 1135. So among these 4 number, which number is smaller? See here also this 1000, 1000, this 100 and 1000 and hundreds place is same, 1000 and hundreds place is same. Now see tens and ones place, 23 and 55. So 23 is smaller than this 55. So 1023 is the smaller number. Circle this number. Now see B question. 9999, 9900, 9000, 9990. So among these 4 number, which number is smaller? See, this 9900, 9900, 9900. These all are bigger number. So 9000 is the smaller number. So we have to circle this 9000 number. Now see C question. 1235, then 2415, then 1035, then 3400. So these numbers are, see, 1200, then 2400, then 3400. So 1035 is the smaller number that we have to circle. Okay, now see D question. 2156, then 2165, 2104, 2103. See, somewhat confusing question is there. 2056, then 2165, then 2104 and 2103. So this number is the smaller number. So that we have to circle. Then see equation. 4216, then 1736, then 3716, then 4162. So among these 4 numbers, which number is smaller? This 1736. All numbers are bigger. This one is smaller. So circle this number. Now see F question. 3158, 3168, 3108, 3106. These 2 numbers are bigger number. These number also bigger. 3106. This number is smaller number. So that number we have to circle. So carefully do this circle on that numbers. Now see third question. What is given in this third question? Arrange these numbers in ascending order from the smallest to greatest using the symbol greater than, less than. Okay, so what we have to do here? We have to write down all these numbers in the ascending order. Means from smallest to the bigger. So we have to first find out which number is the smaller number. 2629 and 2564. So 2564 is the smaller number. So that number we will write here first. 2564. Then give this sign, less than sign. Then from, see, this is the smaller number, and bigger than this number, which number is there? 2629. So you write down here 2629. Then bigger than this number, which number is there? 3616. Okay, so 3616. Then bigger than this number is 3892. So 3892. So in this way we have to complete all these examples. So see now, 5009, then 5090, then 4999, then 5099. So among these four numbers, which number is smaller here? This number is smaller, 4999. So first write down 4999. Give this sign here. Then bigger than this number, 5009. Okay, so you just write down here 5009. Then give this sign. Then bigger than 5009, which number is there? 5090. So you write down 5090. Again give this sign. Then 5099 is the bigger number. So that number we will write at the last. 5099. Now see question. 2506, 2650, 2056, 2755. So among these numbers, 2056. This number is smaller number. So you write down 2056 number here. Then bigger than this number is 2506. Okay. So 2506 you write down. Then 2650. So first you write down 2650. Then bigger than this, 2755. So in ascending order we have written all these numbers. Okay. Now see D question. 4000 here, 2650 and 2006 and 2006. Yes. Now D question is 4726, then 3276, then 7362, then 3627. So which number is smaller here? This number, 3276. So you write down 3276 here. Then bigger than this number, 3627. 3627. Then bigger than this is, which number is there? 4000. Give this sign. 4726. Then give this sign. And last, the bigger number is 7362. Okay. Now see E question. 9091, 9109, 9901, 9190. So which is the smaller number? 9091. So 9091. 1. Then bigger than this is what? 9109. 9109. Then bigger than this 9190. Okay, 190. And then 9901. 9901. Okay, so in this way you complete all these answers in your textbook. Now see fourth question. Arrange these numbers in descending order. Descending order means from bigger to smaller number, and we have to use this greater than sign here. So first we have to find out the bigger number. Descending order means what? From bigger to smaller, and ascending numbers means smaller to bigger. So we have to find out the bigger number here. So among these four numbers, which number is bigger? 7306, 7603, 7036, 3760. So which is the bigger number? The bigger number is 7603. So write down 7603. Then give this sign, greater than sign here. Then which is the smaller number than this? 7306. So write down 7306. Then smaller than this number, 7036. 7036. Then smaller than this, 3706. 3760. Okay. So bigger, smaller, smaller and smaller. In this way we have to write down these numbers in descending order. Okay. Now see second question B. 6311, 6113, 6316, 6111. So among these numbers we can see this 1000 number is same. Okay, so we have to find out this 100 number, 3131. So among these two numbers, 6316 is our bigger number. Then smaller than this number, 6311. Then smaller than this number, 6113. So 6113. Then 6111. 6111. Okay. So in this way you have to write down this answer. Okay. Now see question. 1954, 1459, 1569, 1945. Now see first 1000 number is same here, then 100 number here 9 and here also 9. Now see 1954 and 1945. So we have to find out the bigger number. 1954 is our bigger number. Then smaller than this, 1945. Then smaller than this, 1569. Then smaller than this, 1459. Okay, so in this way we have to write down the answer. Now see the question. 8149, 8944, 8490, 8491. So among these four numbers, 8944 is the bigger number. 8944 is our bigger number. Then 8490 8,491. That number we have to write. That is smaller than this. Then 8,491. Then 8,419. Somewhat confusing numbers are here, so write it properly. Then last one is what? 8,149. So this is our answer. Now see equation 3,892, 3,961, 3,691, 4,001. Now see equation 3,892, 3,961, 3,691, 4,001. So we can see here this 4,001 is bigger number. So you write down this number first. Then smaller than this 3,961. 3,961. Then smaller than this 3,892. Okay. Then smaller than this is 3,691. Okay. So in this way you have to write down. You write down all these numbers properly in your textbook. Good morning, students. Now today we will see page number 32. On this page number 32, exercise 2.9 is given. So first question is what? Write the predecessor of the following numbers. So very simple it is. Predecessor means what? The number which is given, we have to subtract minus 1 from that number. So first example is 547. So 547 minus 1 equal to how much? 546. This is our answer. So the before number, or in another language we can say before number of any number is the predecessor of that number. Okay. Now see B question 368. So predecessor of 368 is 368 minus 1, 367. Okay. Now C question 436. So predecessor of 436 is 436 minus 1, 435. Okay. Now see D question 3109. So predecessor of 3109 minus 1 equal to 3108. Okay. Now see equation 3100. So 3100 minus 1 equal to 3100 minus 1. So we can do here subtraction. 3100 minus 1. 0 minus 1 not possible. So write down here 10. 10 minus 1 9. So 10 minus 1 here 9. 9 minus nothing. 1 minus 1 0. So write down here 0. Say 3 minus 1 2. If we add this, correct? Now see equation 3100. So predecessor of 3100 is 3100 minus 1. 3100 minus 1 equal to 3099. The previous number of that number is our answer. Now see F question. 4670. 4670 minus 1 equal to 4669. Okay, so write down. Then G question. 3485. 3485 minus 1. 3484. Okay. Now H is what? 4352. 4352 minus 1 equal to 4351. Okay. So in this way, this question you have to write down in your notebook. Then see question number 2. Write the successor of the following numbers. So first, successor means what? Plus 1. So we have to just add plus 1 in this given number. Then we will get successor of that number. 3399 plus 1 equal to how much? 400. 400 is the successor of 399. Second example, 298. Successor of 298 is 298 plus 1 equal to 299. Now see example. Successor of 389. 389 plus 1 equal to 390. Okay. Then the next example, 4184 plus 1, 4185. Okay. Now see a example, 3468 plus 1 equal to 3469. So F example is what? 3670 plus 1, 3671. Okay. Now see G example, 3468. 3468 plus 1 equal to 3469. Okay. Now see H example, 4089. 4089 plus 1 equal to 4090. So in this way, this example also you have to complete in your notebook. Now see third question. Write the predecessor and successor of each of the following numbers. So numbers are given in this middle. So we have to first find out predecessor and then successor. So first example is what? 2740. So 2740 minus 1, 2739. Okay. Then successor means what? Plus 1. So 2741. Then B example is what? 6089. 6089 minus 1, 6088. Okay. And successor means what? 6089 plus 1, 6090. Then C example is what? 9899. So 9899 minus 1, 9898. Okay. And 9899 plus 1 is 9900. So successor of this number is 9900. So this third question you will write in your textbook.